Hello, guys. I traded alright today. Only had a couple trades, then I went out and played some golf. My watch list for today: Tesla, Cybertruck news, 100K pre-orders, float, support, resistance, plan, unbiased. Looking for a smaller move, 50% partial at 2 to 1. I knew I wasn't going to see a big move. Schwab buys Ameritrade, 26 billion all stock deal. No plan, no bias/plan on that. I just didn't really like how it looked. Pre-market and daily both suck. Not super interested. I'm really not sure how it played out, but it actually traded decently higher. My alert was over 48.20 yesterday's close, and it looked like if I paid attention to that, would have traded all right. Traded all the way up to 49.30ish. Nvidia. Most stand upgrade, pre-market in tight range, waiting to see the reaction when volume comes in, looking for a possible orb, definitely long biased. Then we had Baba, technical breakout, teaming up with Amazon for Black Friday, which is actually wrong. Someone in Kurt's chat posted something, and that's what it said, but it was actually a upgrade from a bank or an analyst I've never heard of. Pre-market non-directional, waiting for some volume. Favorite setup of the long, very, very long biased. I don't know what that means. I think I meant my prefer to take a long trade, long bias, gap closed near 91.89, and then Splunk and alert above 141, ARWR above 52.69. And then eBay sold one of its businesses, looking to fill a gap at 38.38, which, if you just look at eBay real quick, so we sold off obviously. And we're gapping up 5% on news that they sold a business, so they're just getting a little bit of cash. That's news that shouldn't be up. I mean, maybe 1 or 2%, but it's up 5 or 6% at the open, and that just doesn't make sense. So let's get to the trades. First trade was Splunk. I traded Splunk and Baba today. I would remain quite patient on Splunk. I was pretty happy with how I traded it, so we're doing a breakout of the daily. Not much overhead, so I waited for a pullback with a test of the 9 moving average or this daily level, which both coincide perfectly. Long here, stop here. 2 to 1, some more at 2 to 1 because we're failing at 146.70, and then I just got all out there for 2.05 par winner. Happy with the trade. It was a good trade. I would have, if I wasn't going to play golf, I would have, and I didn't want to have 2 range orders open at once. I wanted to lock in the profits here in case my Baba trade was a loser. I could have made a little bit more. We went up to 47.70 or so, but overall happy with how I traded it. And then Alibaba, extremely long biased here. We have the upgrade. We don't have much above it. We're breaking above this consolidation here, and then we have this gap to fill at this solid line at 191.89. So that's what I was looking to get to. I was a little bit hesitant, or not hesitant, but I wasn't as confident just because we're just getting an upgrade from a no-name bank, and upgrades for the most part the price doesn't stay priced in it. They'll usually fall back to whatever it was before they got upgraded. But, yeah, let's get to the trade. So, on the 1 minute here. So, my first long, I was trying to be very patient. We had this really good run up, pullback. And this generally isn't a good entry signal. And then I saw this on slightly elevated volume, slightly above average. And I took it long, stopped out under it. And then right when I got stopped out, I saw it get bought up so fast with this huge volume here. So I re-entered. I had 200 shares here. I only had 100 here. And obviously my end target was the 191. And I was leaving my house. I left my house at about this point right here. At somewhere around here I left my house. Because I remember thinking, oh, this looks really good. The 5 minute looked good. So I sent my range order about 30 cents under the gap fill and break even stop. and we can see how it plays out. Looks very good. We look like we're primed to break up. And then I got wicked out on this sell-off here. And then eventually goes back to my favorite. Never gets to my target, but trades around 190 pretty much all day. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with my trades. I was definitely very patient today. And that's quite a big candle. I was very patient in my trades. Very happy with my Splunk trade. Happy with my Alibaba trade. I'm happy I got in again. I think I want to see the elevated volume on one of these sell-offs though. I want to like buy a wash, take it long there. Oh wow, look at that, 603,000 shares. It's a lot. I want to buy a wash, and that's kind of what I thought I had here once it sold off and got bought back up right away, but I was wrong. Which I'm okay with exiting and re-entering. But Nvidia was a good one. I was a little bit hesitant to enter on any of these here because there was really never a nice pullback to enter on. Maybe once you saw this, like a 2-minute orb up, you could have took once we saw this candle. But it's kind of hard to say. But plus 1R, I'll take it on the day. Try to end this week fairly strong. I think I'm down on the month 3 or 4 R's now after today. So I'll try to end the month strong, or positive rather. I've had 3 or 4 green months in a row, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys, hope you had a good day. I will see you tomorrow.